How to change bubbles to chat hits. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your bubbles to chat hits on your Android phone. If you are using Facebook Messenger, you are probably familiar with this feature. Now let me walk you through how to enable chat hits for an easier and more fun messaging experience. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your Android phone. Once you are inside the settings, simply tap on the search bar and type display over other apps. Once you have tapped and searched for that, simply tap on it and then find Messenger in the list and simply tap on Messenger. Once you are inside, simply toggle on that option. And once you have done that, simply go back and open the Messenger app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are inside the Messenger, tap on the three dash icon shown on the top left corner of the screen. From here, simply tap on the gear icon shown on the top right corner and you will be prompted to the menu section. From here, simply scroll down and tap on Bubbles. Now here you will have the choice to enable all conversation can bubble. You can even choose the chat heads for only specific conversation if you prefer. And once you have enabled that, you will see chat heads pop up whenever you get a new message. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.